Hello everyone, Bryce here, or Lazy Bro Fishing today, and this will be my first fishing video. I got set up right here, really deep spot in the creek. I was fishing here yesterday and caught a couple bass, some bluegill, and even a bullhead. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this, and tell me what you think. We're going to be setting a couple minnow traps and fishing, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, first we're going to start off using this small, really small hook right here. Catching a couple small fish, probably bluegill, and we'll go from there. But the funny thing, I've catched many big fish on just a small hook, you know. It's just crazy how on a small hook you can catch super big fish. So hopefully we see that today. Sorry if the video is not the best, recording on my phone. I need to get a GoPro or something because this is not as good, but hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Okay, for our first minnow trap, it's going to go right here. We were just over there. I just got it tied off to the bridge. We just got some mixed dog food, cat food, and then even some dog treats. Just grab a handful of that. And then just one piece of bread. Crush it up good. Lasts longer this way, from what I can tell, if you roll it up. Okay, I think that's enough. Maybe just a little bit more. I'm going to leave them out for a while. Okay, first trap will go right off there. I haven't caught anything fishing yet. Got a couple bites, but yesterday was definitely a better day. Wish I was recording. Threw the minnow trap in, kind of in the middle. We're going to go over here and get down farther down the creek. It's a public creek, but I don't usually see many people here. The only people I ever do see here are usually people just riding their horses on the trail right here. Okay, we gotta go through some weeds. Just to let you guys know, I get poisoned pretty easily for like poison ivy, but I still go through this stuff. I get it every year. I can never avoid it, and it really sucks, but it is what it is. There's this little kind of island, really, but not really, out here. Some small minnows trapped in this hole right here. But yesterday I caught a really cool fish here. I don't know if I'll tell you guys what it is yet, but I'm going to be putting it in the fish tank. I also caught the bullhead over here too. And I caught two smallmouth bass just right along this log. So I'm going to try right here. Also set up the other two minnow traps. I'm going to set them down the creek more. See you guys in a bit. Here's going to be the next spot where we set our minnow trap. Just a little off where we came down at. Right under kind of these trees. The creek's really dirty today. Yesterday you could actually just see right through it, but hopefully that doesn't affect how much fish we catch in the traps. I don't know, the fish just aren't biting. I mean, yesterday I went in the afternoon, and today I'm in the morning, so I don't know why. Hopefully we get some fish today, though. Got the second minnow trap out, right off there. Now let's go back to fishing. I don't know if we're going to catch anything. I guess you guys will find out. Okay, I finally caught something, and this is what I caught yesterday, and I'll be adding it to the tank. I don't know if I just want one or two, probably two, because I like to keep them in pairs, so at least they have another one of their kind. But this is what it is. It's a very, very cool fish. First time seeing it yesterday. An orange spotted, let me get this in the light. An orange spotted sunfish. Never even seen one. They're so cool looking. And they have very small mouths, so it's very hard to catch them. But I actually got one. But yeah, that's that. Gonna keep trying. We'll see what we get. Okay, second fish of the day. I think a bluegill. Pretty sure bluegill. But yep, there we go. Okay, we're gonna go set the last trap down at this curve. It's a deep hole. Caught a lot of minnows there before. Last time I had my shoes on, so I had to make a path to get across. Don't have to worry about that now though. Okay, probably gonna set it right there. Really deep spot. Okay, gotta go find a stick. Last trap set right there. We'll check them later today in the afternoon, probably late afternoon. Try to give them as much time as we can to get more fish in them. I've already walked all the way up there once. It's all mostly shallow, so nothing worth going up there for. Caught 2 fish so far. The orange spotted sunfish and a little bluegill. I'm gonna have to let a couple of my bluegill go in my tank anyways. I mean, they're all really small right now, but I don't need that many. I'm trying to catch this minnow. It's like a purple minnow, but it has red fins. So maybe we'll catch that and be able to show you guys that. Last time I was here, this thing was just full of frogs, but looks like they all moved on when the rain came. Okay, let's get back to fishing. Third catch of the day. Still another little bluegill. Just not biting as good today for some reason. I don't know. At least we're not getting skunked though. Still catching something. Okay, that's it. Well, we got us a bullhead. Yellow bullhead. I found a dead minnow and I put him on this hook and let it sink out right out there. Didn't even know he was on until he got closer to reeling him in. I don't know how easy it's going to be to get the hook out of this guy. He might have swallowed it because I left it alone. Because I was setting the minnow traps. Not a bad yellow bullhead. I used to keep these in my fish tank until they got too big, then I let them go. He's a nice little guy. Okay, I'm going to get the hook out and then I'll get back to you guys. Got the hook out. We're just going to release this guy. I don't know how many bullhead are in here, but man, I've been catching them a lot actually. Goodbye, bullhead. There he goes. We're going to go back over there and try again, now that the sun's come out more. Right now we got 2 bluegill and the 1 orange spotted sunfish. So that's about it. Okay, I tried fishing for a while, but no luck. This is actually where I catch most of my fish when I usually come here. I just put the pole right there and I just usually catch a whole bunch. right under this bridge. But today, I don't know. Maybe I'll come back in the afternoon and do some more fishing. We'll check them traps later and get that on video. See all what we catch. Yep. Headed back up to the car. Got our 2 bluegill and orange spotted sunfish. It's a little bit of a walk, but it's worth it. We'll be back later. See you guys when I get to the car. Okay, at the car now. I got a cooler right here with a bubbler. That's what I use when I'm bringing bait back. Works pretty good. Nice cold water. So they all make it back alive. Here's one last look at the orange spotted sunfish. And our 2 bluegill. The bluegill will probably just end up being bait for bank poles and other things like that. And I'll keep that orange spotted sunfish. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll be back later on to check the minnow traps. See you guys then. Hello everyone. It's been 7 hours since the last part. I'm going to be going down checking the traps now. Hopefully we got something. Let's go find out. Pretty hot out right now. When I came this morning, it was just the perfect weather, but you know, it's summer, so that's how it is. I'm going to be going to the last trap we set, the 3rd one, and then working our way back towards the first trap we set. The creek's still looking a little dirty. You can see through just on the edges only. I mean, it is deep too, but it was more clear yesterday. Hopefully we did good. Yeah, you can at least see through right there. It's much better this afternoon. You can actually see our second trap now. I know it still has a lot of food in it, so I don't know if that's a good sign or not. I mean, I did put quite a bit of food in. That's not always the best thing to do, but I wanted to make sure that they had enough food to last a long time. Okay, let's check our minnow trap now. Well, we got nothing, not one minnow. Please don't let the other 2 traps be just like this. All this food wasting. I'm just going to throw it back. The food's already pretty mushy. It's not going to last longer, but I'll just come back tomorrow. We'll see if we got anything, but yeah, not looking good. Yep. I can see the minnows, but I don't know why they're not getting anything. Okay. Going to the second trap. No idea. I've never had that happen where I didn't catch one minnow. Completely nothing. Okay, that's the second trap. This one's got a lot of food in it too. Okay, but at least we got something. We got some minnows. And some small bluegill. They got some fat bellies because they ate so much because not a whole lot of fish were in the trap. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Nothing great though. Got some real small bluegill in here. Usually don't catch them, but you know, these are just small enough to fit through the hole. There's that. Let's go to the last trap. Ended up going to get that other trap we already checked. I got nothing because I don't know if I'm gonna be back actually tomorrow. See some minnows in there. Let's go to the first trap. Let's see if the saying's true. Leave the best for last. Oh, feels a little heavy for some reason. I don't actually see any food. What do we got? And nothing. Well, 2 traps of nothing. That sucks. Sorry I couldn't get you guys more minnows on camera. That's about it. That's pretty sad. I don't know why. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and comment if you'd like to see more videos like this. I had a lot of fun. Hope you guys did too. See you next time.